and welcome to day one of the 7 days of Kwanzaa. It's December the 26th. And I really like the idea of Kwanzaa. It's a non-religious festival based on the first fruits ceremonies in Africa, sub-Saharan Africa, where right now it's summer. If you're on the southern half of the globe, it's summer. If you're on the northern half, it's winter due to the Earth's axial tilt. So yeah, it's pretty, it's December here. It's still December because of world conquest of ideas and time. And I've got my little candle out here, and this first candle is to symbolize Umoja. Unity. Unity of family, unity of community, unity of origin, and unity of race. And to me, the race is, the human race. There's fairly good evidence that we're all from the Rift Valley in Africa. Everybody. We're all cousins, we all share the same planet, we're all human, we're all capable of aspiration and dreams and invention and creativity. And that's why I like Kwanzaa, because it embraces all those things. So I'm going to light one of these tea lights for the next 7 days and just dip my toe into the celebration of Kwanzaa. And if you're forming a new society or a new culture, you need your celebrations. And Kwanzaa fits, because there's no place in the culture for racism or religious intolerance or gender intolerance or transphobia or anything like that. We're all humans trying to live on the same rock, and these short videos are going to each express one of the concepts of Kwanzaa. And if you like it, start celebrating it, and if you don't watch the videos or leave a comment. But we need something that's not tied to a religion. And Kwanzaa is hugely secular, and there's no reason for you to not celebrate Kwanzaa if you're of a particular religion. It's a great celebration. Look around you. Measure what's valuable. Create, give, share. Make the world a better place. Plant the tree you will never rest under. So happy birthday, human race. It would be nice if we all pull together, but every idea starts with one person. So thank you to the person that created Kwanzaa, and I'll do, obviously there will be a short video on what Kwanzaa was about, or there'll be a link in all the Kwanzaa videos to a much better documentary about Kwanzaa than I could ever hope to make. I just want to illustrate that Kwanzaa could be for everybody. What an outward-looking celebration it is. So yeah. So there'll be a link to the documentary, which stars a wonderful voiceover from Maya Angelou, as well as some very notable activists in the African American community. And I think it's a great idea. And I think the world would be a nicer place if we all celebrated Kwanzaa. Because a lot of, Christmas especially has rather been ruined. So, Kwanzaa! Happy Kwanzaa, everybody. And this will be going out on all of my channels, including the New Culture channel. So, 26th of December, day one, Umoja. Unity. What a bloody great idea. Take care, and thanks for watching.